Hello friends, I am Neha and welcome back to my channel about technology. In today's video we are going to discuss how to find MAC address in Windows 10 system. Well, your computer has two kind of addresses, MAC address and IP address. MAC address is the one that is assigned to the hardware of your system and IP address is the one that is assigned to the network of your system. In this tutorial we'll be discussing 5 methods to determine MAC address. First, using Windows settings. Second, using control panel. Third, using system information. Fourth, using command prompt. And fifth, using PowerShell. So, let us move to our first method. Type settings in Windows search box and click open the settings app. In the Windows setting, click on network and internet. Now, in the navigation pane, select the kind of network you are working on. As my system is connected to Wi-Fi, so I'll choose Wi-Fi. Now in Wi-Fi section, I have to click on Hardware Properties and it will display the physical address of my system. The second method is using Control Panel. So open the Control Panel window. In the Control Panel window, you have to click on Network and Internet. Further, you have to click on Network and Sharing Center. And in the navigation pane, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, in the network connection window, choose the kind of network you're connected to. As my system is connected to Wi-Fi, so I'll double click on Wi-Fi. It will prompt a Wi-Fi status window. In the Wi-Fi status window, you have to click on Details. And it will display the physical address of your system. The third method is using system information. So type system information in Windows search box and click open the system information app. In system information app, you have to go to navigation pane and click on components. Under components, you have to click on network and under network, you have to go to adapter. And you can see that it has displayed MAC address of my system. The fourth method is using command prompt. So type command prompt in Windows search box and click open the app. In the command prompt window, you have to type the command ipconfig /all. It will display MAC address of your Windows 10 system under the type of network you're on. As my system is connected to Wi-Fi, so I should search in Wi-Fi. You can see that it has displayed physical address of my system. The fifth and the last method is using Windows PowerShell. Click open the PowerShell app and in the PowerShell window you have to type the command get-netadapter and press enter. You can see MAC address of my system which is connected to the Wi-Fi network. So that's all friends. For more description and explanatory screenshot, you can refer our official website qhow.com. I have provided URL for the same in the description below. Please like and share our video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel about technology. Keep checking the channel for further update and put your comment and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.